Oh my gosh, I absolutely obliterated the protective lens to the camera, and the lens is looking pretty scratched up, but it should do for today's episode. Welcome to another episode. I'm Twig, this is Twigging Around. Today we are in Baja, California Sur, Mexico, where I live on the Sea of Cortez. It's good to be back. I was on the road for multiple weeks in a row, and today we're doing one of my favorite things in the world, a catch and cook mission. I am hungry, I am famished, I haven't eaten all day, so I'm very excited for this episode. If this is your first time watching, welcome, sit back and relax and have a damn good time. Without further ado, nature is wild, so let's go hang out with it. I break about 1 screen protectors per episode. So today we are riding completely naked on the lens. I'm really hoping that doesn't bite me in the ass. We got to get out there pretty quick. Even the couple of minutes of being here, the wind has already picked up. I barely have any gear. I've got a old leather belt, a crappy knife. I've got my goggles and some Walmart fins, so we're rocking with almost nothing today. This does not look good at all. Without breaking an ankle or something, let's get in this water. Woo, baby. Oh, water feels good. It's blazing heat out today, about 90 degrees, 95 probably. Oh, it just stuck right in the ground. Spit in the goggles, wash them off. Boom, boom, boom. All right, let's go. Oh, absolutely nothing. Oh man, these are slick. Man, that was a bummer. Dried up puffer right here. Oh. Dried up puffer fish. Get them in the sun for you so you can see. Just nothing though. And hopefully you guys can hear me. Sometimes when the water gets in the mic, you can't hear it very well. Oh. Man, rough on the feet here. Whew. All right, we're gonna go back down there to the ATV, hop on the ATV, keep going down the beach, try to find something better than this. I saw something big out there. I don't know what it was. They're big and long, maybe a wahoo or something. I have no idea. But saw 2 little Sierra mackerels. I took a shot at one of them and missed. But what do you do? Also, they call it fishing, not catching. Oh, it's beautiful out though. Let's skedaddle. All right, we're all packed up and we're gonna punch the next spot. I gotta put in neutral. There we go. All right, let's go. Really would like to not destroy my sunglasses today, wherever those are. Please don't tell me they're in the bag. Yeah, in the bag. We gotta stay pretty protected today. Last I looked, it was over 95 degrees. It's hot. We've got no shade whatsoever. We got a lot of miles to put on. Let's go have some fun. Totally forgot my sandals down at the beach. Can't do that. Need those today. They're the only foot protection I have. Come on, man, pull it together. This day's already hard enough. I don't need to make it harder on myself. All right, here's looking rough still, but I don't know, at least it's not whitecaps. We're gonna hop in. I'm getting really hungry. Looks pretty good right over here, and then there's a drop off right out front, so maybe we can get something in there. We'll see. I'm seeing some little fish right over here jumping out of the water hole, so hopefully that means that there is a bigger fish chasing them. We're gonna hop in. The only problem is gonna be visibility here, so I'll see what we can do. Can't beat jumping in the water though. I'm getting really toasted after even 30 minutes of being on the ATV. All right, spot number 2. Oh, heck yeah. Check that out. That's a good little parrotfish right there. That'll be some good eating. I don't go after these a whole lot, but on days like today, you gotta take what you can get, especially with how rough the water is. I mean, I couldn't see anything down there. I was getting kicked around. I could barely get back in. Boom, fish on deck. Now we gotta go get some wood. And I learned we can't use driftwood because it contains salt. It turns into some sort of gas. I don't know, I didn't read into it too much, but we can't use driftwood, so we gotta go find some wood on the other side of the road, going down the beach here. Pick that up. Let's get a fire going. Let's cook this baby up. Let's have some good eats. We gotta clean this thing up, get some of its guts out. It's really rough down here. Usually I'd keep that as bait, but man, today I don't have a fishing pole. Hear me out. Instead of going to the arroyo, we pull an audible and we go back to the casa. We haven't been there in a long time. And KB, my beautiful wife, also hasn't been in an episode in a long time. Tamal, my dog's there. We can feed her fish. She'll be super happy. And the 2 cats, Tibbs and Zug. They haven't been in an episode in I have no idea how long. Let's feed them some fish. Let's eat tacos to the sunset. Well, on the way back, we'll grab cervezas, sipping cervezas, eating tacos in the sunset at the casa with the family. How can you say no? Let's punch back down the beach and let's get home. Neutral. Always forget to put it in neutral. Let's skedaddle. Bye, beach. Hola, vaca. Hola, vaca. I'm gonna guess that guy just had a pretty good meal right there. Okie doke, folks. We are back at the casa. I got a cup of coffee. Cheers. It is very much needed. Right here we have the fish hanging up. Oh, that's gonna be good. I'm excited to cook that. And then whoop, behind me right here is the fire pit. I need to do some TLC on it because I haven't used it in a while. Our friends brought over some ceviche, some of the best in town, very delicious. We got some ingredients to mix with it right here. So I'll show you how I like to doctor up my ceviche, but it is time to get the fire started. Let's get after it. There we go. Boom. Put that right there, like that. Oh, it's hot. Put some big pieces around it. Some little bark on top. That bark is really dry. All right, and as that fire starts, we're just gonna throw this fish straight into tinfoil. We're not gonna do much seasoning. Actually, we're doing no seasoning. We're just gonna get it in the tinfoil, throw it on the fire, let it steam, and then pull it off. I wanna make it so that we can feed some of it to the cats and dogs. Garlic, onion, not good for cats and dogs. So there's plenty of flavor in the sauces we're gonna put it with. So let's just wrap it up, get it in the fire. Boom. All right, so we're just gonna take, fuck. We might let this chill out a little bit. Yep, we're gonna let it chill out. Let's throw this tin pan down. Throw the fish on top of that for right now. Yeah, that's definitely good. Keep the direct heat off of the fish a little bit. I hear it sizzling. Ooh, there is one thing we need to do. I don't need a whole lot of parrotfish. They're good for the coral and the reef and stuff, but I see so many around here. If I take one every once in a while, I don't feel too bad, but cheers. It's been a pretty good episode. Nice fishing, caught a fish, didn't have to go to 6, 7, 8 spots. We're back at the casa. We're about to see some of the animals. They're all sleeping right now, but yeah, cheers. What's going on, girl? You just hanging out in the chair? Having a good time? Just waiting for belly rubs? All right, there's Tamal. Here's little man Tibbs hanging out. He hasn't been in an episode in a long time. Probably since what, coming down here? He is best known for the episode where we took him kayaking and he actually jumped off the kayak into the river, which was pretty amazing. I'm really happy with how this is working out with the pan underneath the fish. Letting all of the logs burn down would have just taken too long. Having that right there, I can hear it sizzling, it's cooking. I can see it steaming coming out. I'm happy. I'm happy how this is gonna turn out. Nice thing about ocean fish is you really don't need to do a whole lot. The meat tastes pretty awesome no matter what. So we'll let that cook, finish up a beer, maybe have another beer. I'm literally editing this video as we shoot it just to get it out tomorrow. I'm falling a little behind. We're about to leave on a road trip coming up here very, very soon. So we got a lot going on. The canopy being built, other stuff. Anyways, right here you can see a nice carpeted run. It goes all the way on top of the RV there. The top of the RV is where our cats live. I haven't seen my cat Zug in a few days, so let's go see if we can find him while the fish is cooking. Zug? You up there, buddy? Where you at? Ah, there you are, little man. What's going on? That's Zug. He's not the most social cat, but he's a sweetheart. He loves to cuddle. He loves living on top of the RV. He's like in Mexico.
2 little men hanging out.
I think they're ready for some fish.
I think they could go for some parrotfish.
Those look like 2 little men looking for some fish.
You a little lion man? He's ugly. Hey, Tibbs.
All right, since this is probably really hot. Oh no. Oh, wrong pliers. Just gonna put a glove on and bare hand this guy. Ooh, the thumb's open though. Gotta be careful. There we are. There we are. Ooh, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot. Whew. Let's open this bad boy up here real quick. We're gonna bust out the buck 110 and just cut a line right into it. Oh yeah, I felt the meat. That meat is tender. There's some char, but you'll see how this will pan out. I left the scales and everything on to protect the fish because I knew that we were going in there pretty hot. We were looking good. We're looking really good here. I'm gonna try to pull this off and just stick it. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that white meat right there. Boom. That's looking really good. Really, really good. Beautiful white meat. Beautiful. Look at that. Steaming. Oh, really good. That's really, really good. Perfectly cooked. Perfectly cooked. Let's get it on the plate. Let's get everything over on the table over here, and let's get eating. All right, we got a big bowl of ceviche right here. I'm just gonna tip it over and dump a bunch into mine. Get some juice in there. Boom, boom. Okay, so we have our base ceviche. We could eat it like that, but there are some things we can do to make it taste pretty good. Here's some clamato juice. We're gonna hit it with a little bit of that. Some soy sauce. Boom, 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 boom. Some hot sauce. Oh man. Decent amount of hot sauce. And some jungo. Boom, 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 boom. And that is how they like it down here. So I have learned, maybe not everybody, but I've had it a few times this way, and it tastes pretty dang good. All right, ladies and gents, I am in the blazing heat right now, so we are gonna make this snappy. We're gonna start this meal off. Oh my gosh.
With a little rain.
That was a little shook up. It is really hot out, so that did feel pretty good. Cheers, a little shotgun to start the meal. Get that out of here. Oh, sorry, bud. Oh, we got two little cats here. Right here, we have a little chipotle sauce, homemade from our friends. What are you munching on?
I got parrotfish, the special sauce. There's some onion in there too. And I put a little soy sauce on it.
Oh, soy sauce never hurt anybody. Right here is the ceviche, the doctored up ceviche. Let's give this a little taste. That and some of this parrotfish. Get some of the sauce on here. Boom.
Do notice we have all three animals down here right now. Normally the cats are up, but I think they want in on some of this parrotfish.
I think they smelled some of this fish. Let's give them some fish. We got Tibbs. See how much he likes it.
Tibbs, one of the OGs.
OGs of the family. Throw some down for him.
Next came Zug.
Next came Zug. Oh, he's skittish. We're just gonna throw him some fish over there. And then we got Tamal, the bucket head. Man. Oh yeah. She likes fish for sure. 100%. There you go, buddy. All right, and there you have it, folks. Successful episode, another one in the books. Come by every Sunday to come hang out with us. I had fun in this one. I appreciate you stopping by. Please hit like if you like the video. If you don't like the video, hit like anyways. Just be a good person. See you in the next one.